Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to make your home smart and successful. First up, invest in a smart thermostat. Not only does it save energy and money, but it also ensures your home is always at the perfect temperature, no matter the season. Next, consider installing smart lighting throughout your home. With the touch of a button or a simple voice command, you can adjust the lighting to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Another way to make your home smart is by adding a security system with smart cameras. You can keep an eye on your home from anywhere, giving you peace of mind when you're away. And don't forget about smart plugs. Easily control your appliances and devices remotely, saving energy and making your home more efficient. To wrap it up, incorporating these simple smart devices into your home can make your life easier and more successful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey there! Are you ready to level up your mindset for blockchain success? Let's dive into 3 easy ways to get started. First up, practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for in your blockchain journey. This positive mindset will attract more success your way. Next, set clear goals. Define what success looks like for you in the blockchain space and create a roadmap to get there. Breaking down big goals into smaller tasks will help you stay focused and motivated. And finally, surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Join blockchain communities, attend events, and network with others who share your passion. You'll gain valuable insights and support along the way. Remember, success in blockchain starts with a positive mindset. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and watch as you achieve your goals. You've got this.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we are diving into the exciting world of self-driving cars and how their success is transforming the way we think about transportation. One of the key factors driving the success of self-driving cars is their ability to reduce accidents caused by human error. With advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, these vehicles can navigate traffic more safely and efficiently than ever before. Another game-changing aspect of self-driving cars is their potential to revolutionize the way we commute. Imagine a world where you can relax, read a book, or catch up on work during your daily commute, all while your car safely drives you to your destination. As self-driving car technology continues to evolve and improve, we are on the brink of a transportation revolution that will not only make our lives easier but also make our roads safer. The future is bright for self-driving cars, and we can't wait to see where this incredible technology takes us next. Uplifting ending sentence. So buckle up and get ready for a ride into the future with self-driving cars. Automobile sparkles.
Hey there, it's time to talk about mastering the mindset for blockchain success. One key mindset to have when diving into the world of blockchain is perseverance. The technology is constantly evolving and can be complex, but by staying persistent and continuing to learn, you can overcome any challenges that come your way. Another important mindset to adopt is creativity. Thinking outside the box and coming up with innovative ideas can set you apart in the blockchain space. Whether it's creating a new decentralized application or finding a unique solution to a problem, creativity can lead to great success. So remember, with perseverance and creativity, you can master the mindset needed for blockchain success. Keep pushing forward and never stop learning. The possibilities are endless in this exciting and ever-changing industry. Uplifting ending sentence. Let's embrace the mindset for blockchain success and see where it takes us.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you 5 easy ways to create routines with ChatGPT to help you stay organized and productive. First, start by setting a daily schedule with ChatGPT. By inputting your tasks and deadlines, ChatGPT can help you plan out your day efficiently. Next, use ChatGPT as a virtual assistant to set reminders and send you notifications. This can help you stay on track and not forget important tasks. Incorporate ChatGPT into your morning routine by asking for inspirational quotes or setting daily goals. This can help you start your day on a positive note. Additionally, create a weekly plan with ChatGPT to prioritize tasks and allocate time for self-care and relaxation. Remember, routines are key to success. By utilizing ChatGPT, you can easily create and stick to a routine that works best for you. Uplifting ending sentence. So, give these tips a try and see how ChatGPT can help you create a more organized and productive lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you next time.